again, everyone, here in beautiful Southwest Ohio. I'm going to do a quick little video today of going to be moving some brush. We usually pile it along here in one of the tree lines and then come by and move it to the burn pile in the fall or in the spring and make some ash to sprinkle around in the garden. And there we have it. Quite a difference from the beginning of this video. As you can see, the sticks are all pulled out. The dirt's kind of sifted its way through. Moved a couple piles over here towards where the new chicken yard's going to be. But we have things sorted out. There's a little bit left over on the far side there that once this is all cleaned up, that'll be easier to get to. But we'll go ahead and start getting this moved out of the way, and then in the next video we're going to start back in here and clearing some of this out, some of this brush, and getting ready to install some new fencing for what will be the new chicken yard.